Are you guys confident? A lot of that stuff seemed to kind of lean towards your truth, man. Like, any message to the fans? Pardon me, guys. You guys worried about this going to a trial? No comment? Joe, you disappointed this is going to trial?
No. This is the judge just said there's a scintilla of evidence required. This is not a trial, and certainly that standard of proof. The judge even said a scintilla of evidence is enough. It's a probable cause hearing. Trial is going to be very different, obviously, because we'll be presenting some evidence that is going to be insurmountable. The witness is not going to be able to withstand cross-examination in front of a jury, and we have a lot of evidence that's going to be unveiled at trial, not here. This is not the forum for that. So this is a preliminary hearing. It's a very low standard. The judge used the word scintilla of evidence. That's all they need. So, not disappointed, not surprised. We expected this to go to trial. We've been planning for trial all along.
Do you feel like your client was set up to some degree? It seems like that's what you're indicating. Is that part of your defense?
The last question I asked this witness, guys, you'll remember this rally was, did you ever ask Rocky or any of his associates for millions of dollars to make the criminal case go away? He swore under oath, no, he did not. That's not going to bode well for him at trial. And I'm not going to try the case here either, guys. And with all respect to all of you and you doing your jobs, we'll have our day in court. We look forward to our day in court. I am certain Rocky is going to be vindicated when all this is said and done, without question.
In a case like this, do they offer like a plea deal or anything?
We haven't asked for a plea deal. We're not taking a plea, so there's never going to be a plea, ever, in this case.
Do you think it'll be hard to convince a jury that those aren't bullet wounds on the finger?
That was crazy.
Well, I know that didn't look like bullet wounds to you based on that question. I mean, I got more. I hit that side podium.
I see a bullet wound right there.
Much worse than that thing, right?
That was crazy.
Definitely not bullet wounds.
That was crazy.
Definitely not bullet wounds. Well, I don't have to say more. That's why jury's going to come into play here. Common sense is going to prevail, and we're going to get him through this, and he's going to be vindicated. But the evidence we have that they don't know about is going to be devastating.
Would you have to put Mr. Mears on the stand?
Yeah,
Sure.
Is he intending
It's a possibility. No, it's way too early for that, guys. Listen, I've been doing this for 1 or 2 years, so I can tell you that it's not proper or appropriate to make a trial decision like the defendant testifying, a year before trial, or whenever that trial is going to be. But is it a possibility? Absolutely a possibility.
As far as you're concerned, is there any chance at a kind of reconciliation between him and Raleigh, or is this is just a crazy?
That's not a question for me. Okay,
I understand.
I don't care about that, but I will say this, please.
If Brianna wanted to come to court to support him in trial, what would you tell her? Would you think that?
No, I listened. This is who Rocky is. He would never subject his family. He wants to shield them. So he's handling it like Rocky would handle something. He protects his family, and that's it.